We begin tonight with continuing coverage of the case against Iron County man James Clement. Clement is accused of second-degree murder, manslaughter, and lying to a peace officer. Today was the fourth day of his trial. TV6 Iron Mountain Kingsford Bureau reporter Blake Ryerson shares new testimony and what it means for the case.
A witness pointed out the layers of a human head on day 4 of James Clement's trial. Clement faces 4 felony charges, including second-degree murder and manslaughter. He's accused of killing Ralph Schuirmann. Schuirmann and Clement lived together at the time of Schuirmann's death. Today, the prosecution called upon former Iron County Chief Medical Examiner Dr. Dan Yarger. Yarger retired in 2024 but examined Schuirmann at the time of death. Dr. Yarger observed CT scans of Schuirmann's head taken at the Aspirus Iron River Hospital. He identified 3 brain injuries. Yarger testified the injuries likely came from high-force impacts.
Subdural are usually caused by high force. The examples that are given in most of the literature is car crash, fall from height, or violent assault.
Clement's defense questioned the cause of Schuirmann's injuries and submitted a medical report from another doctor. Ralph Schuirmann's widow, Fran Schuirmann, also testified. When the prosecution asked Fran if Ralph had told her Clement was hitting him, she said yes.
Ralph called you and stated that the defendant was hitting.
Yes.
In court, Fran says Ralph asked her not to contact law enforcement during a phone call.
I begged him to let me call the police because he begged me not to call the police. You know, and it was so conflicting.
During cross-examination, Clement's defense questioned how involved Fran was in Ralph's life. Fran testified they lived in separate homes. The trial will continue tomorrow morning. The jury was informed that the case may continue into next week. We will keep you updated on any further developments. Blake Ryerson, TV6 News, Crystal Falls.